Do not dare to try this Korean mask at home even by mistake, otherwise all the Salon will get very angry with me. Step number 1: Face cleansing. Take half a cup of rice water and dip a cotton pad in it, and wipe your face well with it so that all the dirt, impurities and oil are removed. Second step: Face scrub. For this, take rice flour, add a little water to it. Wet your face completely. Then massage well with this scrub for 30 seconds. Leave it for a while, then wash off. Step 3: Face massage gel. For this, take some rice water and add aloe vera gel in it. Mix both of them well. Wet your face and massage with this gel for 5 to 7 minutes, then wash off. Step 4: Skin brightening face mask. Take 1 spoon wheat flour. Take 1 spoon rice flour, mix them well, then add a little rose water in it, and make a good face pack and apply it for 7 to 8 minutes. Means in just 30 minutes your face will start shining like a bulb. A complete instant glow treatment.